The Galaxy Sandpine Scrub Preserve is an ancient habitat considered to be one of the oldest types of ecosystems in Florida.
It's very important for our students to know what is right here in their backyard, this scrub area, so we're just really excited that we're going to have this resource for our school now.
And so we just wanted to protect it as it recovers and restores and becomes what it's meant to be.
We're very, very fortunate that the school has this right next door to be a teaching tool for the future. And we're even more fortunate that we forged this alliance, this partnership between the City of Boynton Beach, the school administration, and the administration in the district to bring this project about. We have secured a resource for not only the school, but a little environmental jewel for the community here in Boynton Beach.
Wait, I see something.
Coming out here to the Galaxy Scrub is a great learning opportunity to my green team ambassadors of the environment. They've been so curious to get outside in nature. They're just craving different learning opportunities, something to disconnect them from all of their digital devices.
The food and water cycles of the scrub.
This is a great place. We've got signage all over that teaches all the boys and girls about the habitat, the history of the scrub, and all of the native species that rely on this habitat for their survival.
When it's virtual, you don't really experience as much. But on the other hand, when you're out here, you actually get to see these things. Sometimes you get to touch them. It's cooler when you're actually out here doing stuff.